Hello. For today's lecture, we're going to review the statements that Lantos has made about the Phoenix Gate, specifically what it does, since there isn't one individual message from Lantos where he said, here's everything that the Phoenix Gate does. Instead, I've simply pulled together the different statements that Lantos has made over the past few months talking about the Phoenix Gate so that we could just remember all the different things that he has said it will do, and that will help us look forward to receiving it here in the coming weeks. Also, at the very end of this message, we have a new question and answer with Lantos, in which he again references the Phoenix Gate and its functions. So let's take a look at the various things that he has said since January about the Phoenix Gate. Starting in January, when he introduced the Phoenix Gate, he said, very good, 9 keys. Keys to the 9 gates of the Phoenix. Not less than supreme is the showering of blessings of this luminous knowledge. The way to profound fullness opens wide as the mighty golden form advances into the physical, material plane of existence, as the songs spread to 1 million initiating spin on Earth. It is the year of the great advancement of the light of the source for all to enjoy, the year of the golden form of creation, that mighty form which enlivens all aspects of the way to the source. There are 9 pods, collections of the seeds. Each of the 9 pods contains 9 seeds. Entry into a pod is accelerated through the gate of the Phoenix. Gates are 9 in number. Gates are transformations which exist between each pod, one leading to the next. Passing through the gate energizes that realm of seeds, that pod of seeds. It fertilizes the pod. The rings fertilize specific aspects of all seeds. The rings amplify values inherent within each seed, offering specific direction for collective, profound results. Enlivening a Phoenix Gate showers flaming golden balls of light upon the entrance into a specific realm. As one enters, one encounters a transforming shower of radiance, a bathing of light, renewal, and warmth. So that was his introduction to the Phoenix Gate, which was a pretty good introduction. Then, a few days later, he made this remark. The Phoenix Gate and the great rings support the supreme song. Together they form the 3 awakenings of the golden form. Spinning the song, initiating spin, generates the golden form. 1 million songs. 1 million songs for the world. The great star forms for all. The Phoenix Gate and the great rings purify the physical structure of the individual, opening the experience to the highest values of light in creation. The song is for all. The golden form is for all. The great star shines for all, blessing all, awakening all, illumining all. This, dear ones, is our mission. A few days later, he said this. Now, there is something more. Something more. Spinning the song in the presence of the Phoenix Gate generates the Phoenix flames of purification. Seed by seed, the Phoenix flames illumine with blinding radiance. A couple weeks after that, Lantos said, the 9 flames generate a process of disintegration of the substance of residue. Exposed to the rays of the Phoenix flames, residue is released through disintegration. And this concept of residue being released or disintegrated by the Phoenix flames, Lantos revisited again a couple weeks after that. He said, flames purify. the phoenix flames purify the physical structure. Flame by flame, the physical structures ignite under the brilliant radiance of the energy of the source. As each gate opens, pure flames of the phoenix permeate the material form, releasing toxins and eliminating residues. The process is sequential. Though the process may occur in rapid succession, the energy travels sequentially, passing through each gate. This process is the sequence of regeneration of the phoenix. Forms ignite. Old residues disintegrate. The physical structure transforms when exposed to the supreme radiance of the 9 phoenix flames. He continued on a little bit later in the same message. The phoenix flames will aid the individual in eliminating any energy or substance which attaches to the physical form. It also eliminates the forces which attach to the emotional and higher spiritual forms. And then a little bit later in the same message, he concluded, the phoenix flames will bring great assistance to the individuals and to the earth. Just 4 days after that, Lantos said, once in physical form, the traces of this supreme cosmic form must be reconnected with the ultimate chakra. This is done through the enlivenment of the phoenix flames. Flame by flame, the obstacles are removed. The obstacles are removed through the fiery flames of the phoenix. This is the great purifying power of the form of the phoenix, the power to renew. Out of ashes, the pure form emerges. The pure form arises. This is accomplished through the full 9 flames of the phoenix. All residue is removed, and out of the ashes arises the true form of the individual spirit, a reflection of the Almighty Source. So those are the various comments that Lantos has made about the Phoenix Gate since the beginning of this year when he introduced us to the Phoenix Gate. And just a few days ago, we received a new shipment of Great Seals. Now, this is the first shipment of Great Seals that we've received in nearly a year. So we were excited to finally have Great Seals for people who had been waiting for them for some time. Cindy asked Lantos, since we now had Great Seals, if there was anything more that he could tell us about the effects of the Great Seal. And here is what Lantos said. The Great Seal is the central element around which the mighty tree of Genesis forms. It is the central element. With the arrival of the Phoenix Gates, the energies which enter through the gates will be received by the central element. The solar energies brought in through the Phoenix flames interact with the energy matrix created by the Great Seal. The Great Seal remains fixed as the central element of the household, while the Phoenix Gate moves with the solar direction, acquiring the energies passing through the solar gate. With sunrise, the Phoenix Gate is placed to the east, and with sunset, we position the gate to the west. We follow the course of the sun as it descends in the west. Like the progression of the seeds, 1 moving into 81, and then 81 returning to the source. There is a cycle to all in creation. This relationship between the Great Seal and the Phoenix Gate is one of opening the universal energies, the great cosmic channels of light within the form of our home and within our individual physical form. Very good. Many blessings. So I wanted to make sure that you remembered all of the different things that Lantos had said about the Phoenix Gate, since we now have this new answer from Lantos talking about the Great Seal and its function of interacting with the energy of the Phoenix Gate. Okay, everyone. Thanks for joining me today. I'll speak with you again on Wednesday. Have a great week.